Hello, friends. What we are going to do today, very good indicator. Uh, it works about 60, 70 percentage, maybe 80, if you work properly. You can use any chart. You can use any chart, gold or GBP, JPY, or any major chart or whatever, or even Bitcoin. What I take today, euro dollar. Euro dollar is like a very volatility and easy to handle, go nicely. Also, it's a low spread. That's why I use the euro dollar. What we're going to do today, this is a blank chart today. So we are going to go for a indicator setting first. We go to indicator. We have to insert the we are going to insert the what do you call chandelier exit. So it was my favorite already, but I'll type it again for. You can see the first one is chandelier exit. So when you type it channel exit, it will come over there. So what I take, have a get. That's quite good one. So we insert that indicator first. So when you insert, you can see all the signs. You can see, let's say, there's some signs here. When you sell sign and buy sign. So if you don't want this filling, you can take it out. Go to the setting. Go here and go to setting. Take off whatever you don't need. Let's say you don't need a label on the side. The label is on the side. See, these two labels here. This on the side is gone. And if you don't want the filling, you can take it off as well. Let's say this is filling and short filling. So the both fillings are gone. If you don't keep, you can keep the line, or you can take off the line as well. Depends on your setting. And if you want to change the color, you can change here. Let's say if I don't want the line, I just take it. There's a duct as well. This is a place to you enter. So let's leave it for a while. Let's see how that does it work. So it's easy. Whenever you got this sign, you can start selling, and whenever you get this sign, you can come out. Let's say we are going to sell from here, this here, stop loss over that. Whenever you get the last things and come back, let's see, we can come out from here, or whatever 1 to 2. If you want to keep 1 to 2, always you can do 1 to 2. So that's easy. Okay, and let's say we'll go from here. Let's say here. Okay, it's buying here. We are going to buy from here. Let's say I'm going to buy here. Stop loss going to be here, and 1 to 2. Let's say maybe we'll put 1 to 5. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Okay, we'll play now. See, look, it's still buying. We hit the target, so we can keep the target up to here if you want. We can keep the target here, and stop loss over the below here. It's 15 minutes chart, or you can go any chart. There's any minutes, like a 5 minutes. Even 5 minutes looks same. See, we start from here, you can sell up there. Yeah, we can buy up to here. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes again. Okay, go back here. Okay, let's try again another one. Got sell sign here. So we try to sell here one. Okay, we try to sell here. We keep the stop loss over the this candle, and 1 to 2, or 1 to 3, or just up this line. We can try up to this line, this supply area. So we just keep here. We'll try one. Yeah, Yeah, look, we got it. This is sell. So that's how it works. You can always have a look this sign, and we hit the target. Now we go for a buy again. Let's see. Okay, we keep it here. Okay, we'll try it now. What's the next sign? Oh, it's buy sign, but already gone. But we'll try it. How far it's going there? Yeah. Let's see. It can be failed sometime, but I try it by here. Stop loss over here and see. Oh no, it's failed. Yeah, we get sometimes get fail as well. Always we can't win. And now we see this sign. We got 5 minutes could be easier. If we see the 5 minutes, it will come early. Okay, let's say. Okay, replay again. See, it's 5 minutes now. Now only we got the sign. Even we got 3 minutes earlier than that. Yeah. So we try to sell here. Stop loss over here. 1 to 2. Whenever you see the returning, we have to come back from the trade. So we can continue this one. So that's how it works. So you can try, guys. This is the easiest way. Next time I'll teach you two indicators combined together. That works very hard, very well. Try this one. Give me a comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye now.